The Chanel small flap bag in light pink shearling lambskin is a stunning piece that embodies luxury and style. This bag features a beautiful shearling lambskin exterior, which not only adds a unique texture but also enhances its overall elegance. The light pink color makes it a perfect accessory for both casual and formal outfits, while the gold-tone metal hardware adds a touch of sophistication. The bag measures 17 by 23 by 10 centimeters, making it compact yet functional enough to hold your essentials like a phone, wallet, and keys. The iconic flap design is complemented by an adjustable chain strap, allowing you to wear it as a shoulder bag or crossbody. This versatility makes it suitable for various occasions, from brunch with friends to an evening out. As for the price, this Chanel small flap bag is currently listed at £5,440 on the UK Chanel website. Prices may vary by region and are subject to change, so it's always best to check with your local Chanel boutique for the most accurate pricing. Overall, the Chanel small flap bag in light pink shearling lambskin is a luxurious investment piece that combines timeless design with modern flair. While it's certainly a splurge, its versatility and classic appeal make it a worthy addition to any fashion lover's collection. If you're considering adding this beauty to your wardrobe, you won't be disappointed. Visit our website for latest products and subscribe to our channel for latest videos.